Hello everyone, I just wanted to talk about an update I've made to my big CNC router that I made. I've upgraded to UCCNC for my control. I was using an XC609M control. It's one of those standalone controls. I liked it, but so far this UCCNC has been a major improvement for me. I like that you can design your own GUI like I've done here. I like the way it looks, turned out really good. And I've got everything functional. I've tested it already, but I just want to kind of go through and show it working. So I'll start with my jog pennant that I made. Not too fancy, I just used a joystick controller for like emulating arcade games. But it worked really well, and I had it laying around, and they're pretty cheap anyway. But yeah, I got X, Y, and Z obviously as the buttons. So let's move it. I like that I can do multiple axes at the same time. And go around. I added some feed rate override buttons so I can change the feed rate override. So it goes faster or slower in jog mode or in feed mode. Here's Z working. And then I have a step mode as well. So it'll move in. And then I got the spindle working. Took a little bit of effort. I guess I didn't have enough voltage going into the breakout board. I was just using USB power. So I switched to just a wall wart, just a 5-volt wall wart. And now, spindle seems to work fine with the relay. And everything else works too. Stop, we'll turn it off. E-stop, will obviously turn it off. I also added just a simple red switch here. I'll put an E on there, or yellow, something or other. But it works really well for triggering the E-stop as well. And I would have used a much bigger E-stop switch, but this one fit inside my tube perfectly, so it just made sense to use it. I'll load this program. Just call it test. I'm actually going to edit it. And the same thing at the end, M5. So what do we do? Save and exit. Yes. Okay, and let's give it a shot. Yeah, it works perfectly. That was the problem I had with my old control, is it would only do exact stop, and it just didn't run very well. It had a lot of dwells, didn't like that, so I really liked that about this software. Here's my toolpath page. It's a nice big page. I really like that. Makes it really easy to see. It's got the spin button here too. Control the feed, just like before. P1 works pretty good. I got P2 all the way at the back. I'll do that for when I go to home it. I do have the TLO working. It'll measure the tool length off this little sensor here. Let's take a look at that. The diagnostics. What is it? There we go. Probe. So that works pretty good. Seems to be pretty accurate, just like before. Send it to the P2 position. Then I'll home it when I'm done. I like homing them individually. Always did it that way. All right, thanks for watching.